take care. 304. Hollow Point, working this glass powered station on the west side of the nation is gone.
A Hollow Point 808. A Hollow Point 808, Rocky Mountains.
Hey, you ain't finna plug my ears like that. Not today.
All right, man, I don't want to plug your ears. I was trying to get to Hollow Point, man, but it's rough and tough. All right, I don't want to plug your ears. 808, back out.
Out there, man, it's rough and tough, man. I got a lot of traffic, but I heard you sneak through the gas, man. 808. Working this glass powered station. California Desert gone.
Yeah, you're gonna like what you see. I see a Hollow Point. I got a stick and move with a 2x6 and the pickup truck. The top of the day, Hollow Point 808, Rocky Mountain, Mobile. Bye. I see a Hollow Point, man. Mother Nature's fading out. Hey, Hollow Point, Mother Nature's fading. 808 gone.
I know that I told you you sound good, but I tell you what, man, I hope it's cool back there on that